Sibaka ho sithanda kubonga kakhulu kubaka hub labende ukuthi basponsorishe ema-juniors ko onke lama leagues la ku Southern Zone, that is 6 leagues, and then whereby they then take lama champions of each league babe sebadlala i-Chamber of Champs. Siyabonga ke today lokho ukuthi we have wrapped up the Chamber of Champs. Sibonga kakhulu nje i-success, siyayibongela ke ne kusasa i-sporting lebengema champions. Sibonge ke nje nawo onke ama teams la participateile kula midlalo le yaka hub, and sithi sithokote kakhulu kishe we had a seamless competition. Sibonge vele kakhulu ka hub, sicela ke nesive i-hub utility stores lebambisene nabo Kuba Traders, titolo leti la Kangwane, titolo temaswati sicela nje basibambise, because without emaswati supporting them there would be no such sponsorship. So sicela nje ukuthi asibambise maswati so that we can continue to develop talent, especially esifundeni sakaho. Sengibonga ke sibonga nema officials la bedlalisa yona le midlalo ize ifike la. Sibonga ke tonke netinsatseli lebetis update live lonke ngale midlalo. Sibonge nje, sibonga i-success, sibonge wonke umuntu lo contributile kuze kuthi yonke lo msebenzi ube impumelelo. Siyabonga kakhulu.